My goal is to showcase the beauty of the world, one video at a time. I'm turning 30 this year and I've decided to change up the pace. I wanted to go somewhere that is so wild and far out from civilization. And that's how I ended up in the Amazon rainforest. A place like no other, the lungs of our planet Earth. Coming this far out into the world from the little red dot I call home was definitely life-changing. So I was in the Amazon rainforest on a group tour for 6 days with this wholesome bunch of people. And that meant that I would not have the time to hang around to shoot as and when I please, as we were going to be moving together as a group. I wanted to challenge myself and see what kind of magic I can produce in 6 short days. So the plan was to go as light as possible, shooting handheld. I got the Sony FX3 on board for this run and gun adventure, along with the Laowa Pro2be lens. Now let's take a look at what I got from these 6 epic days. The rainbow boa. It was one of the snakes I really wanted to see, and I was over the moon to be able to film it. The emerald tree boa, the ultimate find of the trip. We found 2 incredible snakes in just 6 short days. I couldn't be any happier. Altogether, the probe lens was incredible to work with. The maximum aperture of t8 allowed me to shoot completely with natural light. The only challenge was getting stable shots handheld. I would use my surroundings to get extra stable, like leaning the lens onto the bark of the tree. At the beginning, I was a little worried on this challenge I set upon myself. Being on a group tour and filming wildlife, run and gun with a probe lens was really daunting. I've always seen this lens being used in a controlled environment with a proper setup, and I wanted to push the comfort zone and see how capable this lens would be on its own, outside a controlled environment. Glad to say this lens went above and beyond in terms of quality and performance. Now we've seen how it performs in the day, let's see how it performs at night. Venturing into a swamp right now. Unexplored place. Let's see what we find. Alright, we're sinking in the mud. We're all sinking. They're going in almost waist deep. Let's just hope we get some good footage. That was definitely the shot of the night for me. Without the probe lens, I would not have been able to get the frog calling naturally in its habitat. 2024 started in the best way possible. I spent 3 weeks in South America. The goal was to find my voice and get comfortable in front of the camera. Alright my friends, I gotta say, the journey is going really well and I am still in the process.
What an adventure.
And 6 days in the Amazon rainforest topped it all. Something really special happened here. And you know what? I'll be back.